Hello all and welcome to my YouTube channel RKS EduTech. In this video, I brought you forward the hiring details of Myntra, a leading fashion e-commerce company in India. So before moving into the details, if you are new to my YouTube channel RKS EduTech, in this channel I will upload a series of videos on hirings and share my programming knowledge and share my personal work experience in software industry too. So to stay connected with me, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon beside it. Without any further delay, let's dive into the video.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Coming to details, Myntra is offering a role for associate marketing analytics. So those who have an interest towards marketing analytics, you can apply for this job, and the job location will be in Bangalore. They have given the details of the team. This role will be in the central marketing team. This team is responsible for the demand generation, traffic, users and installs. Coming to roles and responsibility, the primary responsibility of this role would be around data gathering, reports management, insights generations. That means the data, you have to analyze the data that you have collected and you have to generate the reports out of the data. And the person will have to work in the raw sources of data from Facebook, Google Analytics and AppsFlyer and lot more softwares. That means you have to analyze all the data which comes from the Facebook, Google Analytics, etc. You have to make sure that right data is getting captured, and you have to work on the dashboards, daily reports along with the internal and external teams too. And you have to provide all your support in backward and forward looking reporting for key marketing KPIs. This role will have interactions with internal teams like revenue. So your role will be linked with other teams also like revenue, BI products and external partners like Google and Facebook too. So coming to responsibilities, so you have to create a daily MSI reports and dashboards as I explained earlier. So you must publish marketing dashboards on MIS and Excel. As we are dealing with a lot of data from a lot of different external sources, so you must be having a thorough command on Excel, working along with the core team on month and event based planning too. So you have to create a data based on the recommendations for the campaign managers. So you have to work with a BI team and data insights representation to the stakeholders within and outside the team. So coming to qualification and experience details, the minimum qualification that they are expecting is graduate. So that means that you have any PG also, they are going to consider you for this job. So you must be able to comfortable with the large sets of data because this role is about data marketing analytics. So you must have an advanced Excel skills and have a thorough command on SQL also. Articulation is also one of the key factor in any industry, and you must have an efficiency to do multitasking, and so you must be quite familiar with the MIS dashboards. If you have any previous experience in this kind of role, it will be a big plus point for this hiring. So you must be able to understand the digital functions. So to apply for this job, go through one by one what are all the details that they are asking. The first name is nothing but the name given to you, and the last name is your surname. Email ID, please make sure that guys, the email ID that you provide over here will be the email ID that all the communications from the Myntra will be sent to you. So please make sure that you have entered a valid email ID and valid phone number too, and your location, and upload your latest resume or CV. So if you would like to be reallocated, you can also mention the details over here and the experience in years. So before clicking on submit application, please make sure that once you cross check all the details that you have entered and click on submit application. So that's it, we are done with the application for our Myntra. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the like button below, and if you want to stay connected with me, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon beside it. See you in my next video. Bye bye.